Get you some headlines then. Donald Trump's victory in the US elections has raised the specter of higher tariffs on China, but it may not be the only Asian country that faces this predicament, according to Goldman Sachs. Now, the note says that while the US bilateral trade deficit with China has decreased somewhat since the Trump administration, deficits with other Asian exporters have risen significantly and may come under increased scrutiny as well. Now, additionally, you do have Goldman Sachs also believing that the Asian trading partners might try to deflect attention in various ways, for example, by shifting imports towards the US where possible.
Alright, talking about Bitcoin, which is actually over the moon. It has soared to a record levels above $82,000 on expectation that cryptos will boom in a favorable regulatory environment following the election of Donald Trump as US president and of pro-crypto candidates to Congress. Now, the world's biggest and best-known crypto asset has now more than doubled from the year's low of $38,505 mark and was last at $82,236, having earlier touched a record high of $82,527.
Alright, then let's get you an update on some euphoria coming in the US markets. And the pocket that I'm talking about is Tesla shares that are at the highest level since April of 2022, with investors piling into bullish options bets on the stock. Now, Tesla did hit its highest level in more than 2 years on bets that CEO Elon Musk's close ties to President-elect Donald Trump may somehow benefit the electric car maker. Now, Tesla's contracts were the most heavily traded options on individual stocks yesterday, with almost close to 2.5 million contracts changing hands by noon.
Alright, in the meantime, the euro dropped to its lowest level in nearly 7 months against the US dollar yesterday. And this is on the back of investor worries about possible tariffs by new White House administration, which could hurt the euro area's economy. Now, the euro has continued a downward trend since Donald Trump won the US president election last week, sparking concerns over possible tariffs by his incoming administration.
Rather than moving.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.